Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special video for you guys. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video in collaboration with Stuff4GREEKS by Zeus's Closet. I have a special gift that was sent to me by them and I'm really excited about it. I knew some things about Stuff4GREEKS in my undergrad going Greek. I never could afford any of the things that they had to offer, being a broke college student. So the fact that I'm able to collaborate with them on this project is really, really exciting to me. This was gifted to me complimentary by Zeus's Closet, Stuff4GREEKS, and I'm really, really excited about it. They sent me a jacket, a custom jacket, and the thing that I love about Zeus's Closet is that they have a lot of variety and they give you a lot of freedom with how you want to design your jackets. The price ranges depend on what you are looking for in terms of what you want your line jacket to look like. So it could be something really simple, really classic, or you can go all out and design your own jacket and they'll make it exactly how you ask. And I love it because it just offers you the ability to be creative and to design your jacket however you want. And they don't just do jackets, they do shirts, they do outerwear, they do pants, they do all kinds of stuff on their website. You have to check them out and see exactly what they offer, but just the jackets are probably their most staple items that they offer because they're so unique and they're so well made. So I'm really excited. Let me stop talking and let's get into it because I haven't opened it yet. So let's get into this. Before I open my jacket, I want to talk about the design. So like I said, I had complete liberty with how I wanted to design my jacket. I wanted it to symbolize me and my sorority, but I also wanted it to incorporate my YouTube channel because this is something that I continue to do like all the time, and I want to advertise that I'm offering these services to people. So I kind of want to incorporate that, but I did want to specifically just put my sorority into it and put myself into it. I wanted my name, I wanted my number, I wanted the poodle, like I really wanted everything to be like to symbolize me, and I believe that that's exactly what I got. They sent me a snippet on Instagram, so I'm really excited to see what the whole jacket looks like. And what they'll do is when you get ready to design your jacket, they'll send you when you do it online. I think the online process is very self-explanatory versus the process that I went through. My process was mainly through email, but their process through their website, which I will show somewhere here for you guys, their process online is really easy for you to fill out exactly what you want, and then you can also upload any images that you want to customize for your jacket. So you'll get the arms, you'll get the front, the back, whether or not you want the crest, what do you want on each side, the colors, the trimming, like very detailed, really detail oriented with what they're asking you with what you want. And they'll follow up with you as well. So they'll send you a proof, you'll approve the proof, and then from there they will make your jacket and then they will send it to you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh my. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to start from the top and then work my way to the bottom. So, of course, I have the Sigma Gamma Rho emblem on the left-hand side. I specifically asked for this stitching. I wanted my 10 pearls and 2 rubies wrapped around my lettering along with the Sigma Gamma Rho letters going down the Greek letters on one side. My right-hand side, I have spring 2012, of course. And then on the left-hand side, I have, because I didn't want the wrong colors for USC, so I just stuck with red. So I got the ZT for Zeta Theta and then USC on the side. The back is the best part. So on the collar, I got EIP, of course. My line name, which, oh my gosh, looks so good. I had to get the poodle with the crown, pure royalty. Had to get the poodle with the crown on her head. Number 2, the deuce. And then, of course, the 10 pearls, 2 rubies on the bottom, and the KelsTells emblem on the back, or the KelsTells name on the back. Now, let's try this sucker. Okay, so, moment of truth. I got it in a size large, in case anyone was wondering, because it's based off of, like, body length. So, arm span, waistband, bust span. And based off of my measurements, I am a large, which kind of scares me because if you do a large, for some people, it's kind of too big. But I kind of like myself oversized anyways. So, moment of truth. Let's see here. Yo, not even. This looks so much better if I had like a blue or gold shirt on. I'm wearing bright orange, but that's okay. But look at it. Look at this. Spring 2012. Sigma Gamma Rho. They got the Stuff4GREEKS. They're stitching, you know, let you know that it's legit. Crest. CT US. Y'all, I can't right now. I cannot. Can y'all see the back? Can you see the back? Can you see it? My hair is probably not the best for this. I should have had straight hair, but look, you guys. Ugh. And it's probate season. Listen. Your girl has to go to someone's probate, okay? Because this right here, this is about to get advertised, okay? I'm about to be a walking advertisement for Stuff4GREEKS and for myself. I can't show y'all the bottom. Hold on. Can you see the bottom? I'm about to be a walking advertisement. This is so dope. Stuff4GREEKS, y'all are amazing. Like, stitching is amazing. Not a stitch out of place. Good size, very visible, very clean. I was gonna get it in the yellow, even the white, but I love the blue. I think the blue really sets off all the colors. Love the crown. This is exactly, when I say y'all, this is exactly what I asked for. This was exactly what I asked for. I love every bit of this jacket. Stuff4GREEKS, Zeus's Closet, thank you guys so much for sending me this jacket. I cannot wait to wear this for probate season. I am so excited. Everything from like the stitching, like they'll ask you, which I think is very important to point out. They will ask you when you do your order on the actual order sheet, they will ask you what kind of trimming you want. And initially, I'll show you guys if I still have the proof. Initially, I wanted my bottom KelsTells. This initially did not have black trimming, but it looks so much cleaner with black trimming. It just looks so much more visible. I'm so happy that I went with the black trimming instead of no trimming, because I feel like it really sets it off. I'm so excited, you guys. When I used to see my pro fights with jackets, I used to want a jacket, but your girl never bought herself a jacket. So I'm extremely blessed, extremely grateful to have this jacket. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show everyone that I come across and to tell everyone where I got this jacket from, because I'm really excited. It's going on my Instagram. This is about to be lit. Super excited. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and would look into Zeus's Closet, because they are absolutely amazing. So I definitely recommend checking out their website. They're actually located in Georgia for anyone who wants to like visit the facilities or check them out. They're available to make orders online as well. They also have an Instagram. They post all the time jackets that they're doing for people or merchandise that they're doing for people. And when I say that it is legit, is amazing. And I will put all the details below for anyone who is interested in Zeus's Closet. I will also link them in my Instagram when I post my picture. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Lord have mercy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Check out Zeus's Closet, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.